Om Sai Ram to all my beautiful, beautiful Baba lovers out there. My throat has still been bad, so I was just wondering whether today I should talk too much because doctors have advised that I should not talk much. Not doctors actually, because I don't go to doctors much, but my some of my friends and at home also they said maybe the throat just needs a rest. So, but still, I would love to say just two or three lines about him because I always love to, speak about him. So, usually, we all have our own ups and downs in life, and there are times where we don't know what to do, whom to go to, and what will happen of us. Like that, many incidences have come in my life where I would just not know what to do. Just recently, my pet fell sick, and I just was shattered. And most of you all know I have 7 pets, and I was just wondering why Baba, why me, what is happening, and why is it that so much of troubles is it is that my child is facing, because it even doesn't know how to open its mouth and say that it is in pain. And it was this is only I and Murliji knows, and it was suddenly, all of a sudden I started crying, and when I was crying I just didn't know what to do. My son, my bacha who was not well, he just, in my room, in my bedroom, I have a small altar where Baba is there. He just goes and he looks at Baba, and I'm wondering what is he trying to do, or why is he even sitting there. And he was bleeding, I just didn't know. So that day night I just it didn't take to me, and I started as usual fighting with Baba, scolding Baba, and telling Baba that this is what you're doing. And lots of people praying for my bacha, lots of people, all my coven members, my students, my followers, everyone is like, don't worry, he's going to be fine, he's going to be fine. So next day morning the bleeding goes down, but he still, this bacha of mine, goes and he sits and he looks near Baba, and I am like, why is he standing there again? So I go near him and then I tell him, Baba, I'm sorry, yesterday, out of frustration I told you, why are you troubling my bacha and all that. And suddenly I see that the Shirdi's Udi packet is there, and I just cut it open and then I mix it in water, and this little one who doesn't usually drink anything, and he hates water and everything, he just has buttermilk and all, he just drinks it. And from that day afternoon I don't see the bleeding happening. That day afternoon little bleeding happened, it was as if, then I was wondering, again little bleeding has happened, why? Then I see that there's no bleeding after that. So maybe even Baba knew that the Udi has to be given to him, and my bacha knew, and I was so mad at Baba and at everything that I was just crying and I was just cribbing. So Baba's Udi has that power. I wanted to share this miracle with you all. Always have Udi next to you. If anything goes wrong, just mix it in water and drink it. Maybe it's just like a rescue remedy in our batch remedies. Maybe it is just like his miracles work in that way, and it just gives us relief, and we are happy. So I think enough I spoke. I said I'll not speak, but I was going on speaking. Let's see what Baba says. Baba is a true guru who takes on the suffering. See, this is why I just love him, and I love his cards. So he took off my suffering of my bacha, and he gave him the relief. This is where I always feel that somewhere that man has its own ways of showing that he's there, and he's always going to bless me and my bachas and my family. So today even I would tell you, if there's anything you're suffering, have a little bit of Udi, dedicate it to him, surrender it to him, and I'm sure he's going to love you for that. So okay, Om Sai Shri Sai Jai Jai Sai. Today I want you all to chant this 21 times. Om Sai Shri Sai Jai Jai Sai. And let's come out of this cycle. See again the beautiful card, the cycle of birth and death. मैं ही ओम, मैं ही गुरु, मेरा हाथ पकड़ कर चलो उसकी ओर. I don't know why he always tells me at every point of time, because this again is a message about what I was talking today. So do chant this mantra and burn a diya to him. Just talk to him. That man is an awesome man, and I'm sure he's just going to bless you for whatever you ask him for. Om Sai Ram.